Checked.
Hey, what's going on everyone? So it's Keith here again at Coding Blind Tech, and in this video we're going to look at how to cleanly list files out for easy review with the screen reader. So we'll be using, turn this off, sorry. We'll be using NVDA screen reader. We're going to be on an Ubuntu bash line. If you didn't catch that video, it's installing or downloading and installing Ubuntu WSL on Windows. So we're going to be in a Linux system, and I'm going to show you how to view files and folders. So let's go over to my Ubuntu bash line.
Videos.
That's my videos.
Videos row. Ubuntu 2.2.
There we go.
Greater.
Okay, so now what I want to show you is, like I said, how to cleanly list files. Um, For example, if you are having to look inside of a Linux file system and you're trying to explore and understand, or maybe you're tracking a file down and you want to see what's available in that directory, there is a way that you can list those files. But um, generally, the easy way to do it is also the messy way to the screen reader. It's very hard to understand and comprehend the output and things like that. So quick way, so I'm going to quickly show you how to have a clean way of listing those files out. So first, the command is ls, press enter.
Code-info.txt quebec-plugin-install.txt. Great.
Okay, so if you listen there, you hear it lists out the files and folders that it wants to show us, and it kind of blurbs it all out in one mouthful. And if I review the output, and I'm on a desktop computer or a desktop layout with my screen reader. So I've got a big numpad on my keyboard. But if you're on a laptop, you can hold down your caps lock key and review with your up or down arrows just the same as I'm about to do now. So what you want to do is press your 7 to kind of review up lines. So we're going to go up one.
Code-info.txt quebec-plugin-install.txt.
And again, you see the output is just a mouthful, just on one line, no separation. So the clean way to list that out would be to, so the tip that I want to give you is ls space
ls.
-1. All right, now what this is going to do is list out the folder and files, um, and files in a list line by line.
Code-info.txt. Quebec-plugin-install.txt. Greater.
Okay, so now you hear that everything's listed out nice and clean. If I review the output,
Quebec-plugin-install.txt. Code-info.txt. Code. Greater ls-1. Code.
okay, and you hear that it's all line by line now. And just a quick tip, let's say that I wanted to hear everything that's in this directory because it's not showing us everything. I can do ls
ls.
space -a.
1. Space. 1.
I meant -a. All right, so if I was to press enter right now, this would list all the contents in this directory, all files, all folders, everything that's hidden, but it would do it in one line, which means it would be very messy to the screen reader. So right here, before I press enter, right now I've got ls space -a. I'm going to do space
A.
-1 and press enter.
Dot. Dot dot. Dot angular-config.json. Dot AWS. Dot Azure.
Okay, I stopped it, but it was what it's doing is it's actually reading out the hidden files and folders along with all of the ones that it wants to show line by line. So this is a nice clean output. Again, if I was to do ls
ls.
space -a and just press enter, listen to what you get.
Dot dot bash line history dot docker dot local dot nvm dot ssh code. Dot 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 bash line logout dot.
Yes, so it's just a mouthful, and if I review that,
Dot Azure dot conf. Dot AWS. Dot AWS dot.
it's basically all in one line. It just moves to the next line because it couldn't fit enough on one line.
Dot Azure dot config dot.
So, all right, well, that is the tip, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you out. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
OBS.